I want to help you with problem number 22 from page 371. This is the homework. I think this is the hardest problem from the homework. I wanted to go over this just to show you how the steps can be used even on a complex problem. So, step number one is solve one of the equations for a variable. None of these variables are isolated, so I'm actually going to have to solve one of these equations for a variable. This variable right here, x, seems like the best one for me to solve for because he has no coefficient. He's all by himself, really, and I don't have to worry about dividing or doing anything like that. So let's get him by himself. So first things first, let's get rid of this 4y. So I do minus 4y. I'll do a minus 4y. Boom. I get this to cross out. I get a negative x equals 5 plus, nope, 2 minus 4 is a negative 2y. Good stuff. So now I'm solved for this. Nope, I have a negative. So I need to change this into a positive. I can go ahead and just divide by negative 1 or change everything over here. So I'm going to go divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. So this crosses out and I get x equals, this is going to change my first one into a negative 5. Negative negative makes a positive y. Okay? Now, step number one is done. I have solved one of the equations for a variable. Done step number one. Step number two, I'm supposed to take this thing, okay, this thing, and I need to plug it in to this equation. So I'm going to take this and plug it into where x is. So I have 3 times something, and that's going to be negative 5 plus 2y, and that's going to be plus 7y equals 24. Lots of fun here. I'm going to distribute. I'm going to distribute again. 3 times negative 5 is going to be negative 15. 3 times 2 is going to be 6y. And then I do a plus 7y equals 24. 6y plus 7y, that'll be a 13y. And I bring down my negative 15. Now again, I want y by itself, so let's go ahead and get rid of this guy, do positive 15 both sides, cross this out. 13y equals, this looks like it's 39. All right, divide by 13, divide by 13. This crosses out, and I get y equals 3. That is the end of step 2. I took this guy, I plugged it into my other equation. Now, step 3 says I need to solve step 2 for an answer. Oh, whoops, I already did that. Boom, solved it for an answer. Step 3 is already done as well. Whoops. Number 4, I need to take step 3 and plug it into equation in step 1. Here's step 1. X equals negative 5 plus 2y. But what should I put in for y? Bingo. I should put 3. So now I have negative 5 plus 6. And then that's going to give me a 1 equals x. So now I'm done with 4. And number 5 just says let's report this as an ordered pair. I need to have x comma y. And I am finished. That is my x and my y done with this problem.